Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Google account is signed in on your phone. That gives Gemini access to your preferences and history. Once done, open the Google app or the Gemini app and update it if needed so you have the latest features and fixes. Make sure to grant microphone and notifications permission. Also allow camera access only if you want to send images. These steps reduce friction and keep results consistent, so you can move straight into asking Gemini useful questions. Now interact. Tap the text field to type, the mic to speak, or the camera to send an image. Choose the mode that fits your task. When speaking or typing, keep prompts concise, 1 to 2 sentences, and mention intent like summarize or compare. That guides Gemini's style and length. If you sent an image, frame it clearly and include context. Once you get an initial reply, use follow-up prompts that reference the previous message to refine results and keep the conversation coherent. To finish, save or copy the response and use the share button if you need to export it to another app. You can control output by asking Gemini for a short summary, a bulleted list, or step-by-step instructions. This changes both tone and length. If something goes wrong, first retry with a clearer prompt and added context. Make sure microphone, camera, and network permissions are enabled. If problems persist, update the app or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.